It's a warm start to Saturday morning as a heat wave continues to affect a large portion of South Africa. Cloudy conditions initially along the coastal areas though as a weak frontal system brushes past. We're also expecting some light rain over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but very high daytime temperatures still likely over the interior. The South African Weather Service's heat wave advisory is valid till Sunday, with very hot conditions expected to persist in the Northern Cape, Free State, Northwest, Gauteng and the Western Bushveld. Now here's our rainfall forecast for today. Very isolated storms later on over southern Namibia as well as northwestern Gauteng. Isolated thunder showers for the eastern Free State as well. Scattered storms likely in the vicinity of the Drakensberg and light rain mainly along the coastline and the adjacent interior. Very high maximums up to 37 degrees in Kimberley today, 35 in Bloemfontein and Pretoria. Highs up to 40 in Uppington. It's going to be cooler in the south, 23 degrees in George, 24 in Port Elizabeth and East London. And despite a lot of cloud cover and some light rain, it's still going to be pleasantly warm in Pietermaritzburg and Durban with highs of 27. Let's take a look at the wind forecast. Breezy conditions along the west coast this afternoon, speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. It's going to be a breezy day in the Cape as well, up to 35 kilometers per hour in False Bay and Table Bay. Slightly less wind towards Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, and there's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters, while low tide is expected just after 10:30. Along the south coast today, light onshore wind speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour. We're not expecting any precipitation, but slightly cooler conditions due to low cloud at first. There's an open ocean swell of 2 meters. For the east coast, some light rain possible, especially over the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal and along the Wild Coast as well. Winds up to 20 kilometers per hour with a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com